Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Roxanne, and on this channel I do all sorts of nail content, demos, hauls, how-tos, you name it. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I created this cute little white set. If you're interested, just keep watching. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're having an amazing day so far. So as you guys can see, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. As you guys can tell, I already have my tips supplied, and these are actually the short tips that I purchased on Amazon a few weeks back, you guys. So my prep and application was super short. It took no time at all to get my prep done today. But yeah, I was so excited about these. I could not wait to use them. So I figured what better way to use them than on a short white set. So once I applied my base coat, you guys, and of course cured that for 60 seconds under the lamp, I then go in with my first bead of white on my thumb. And this is Carnation by McCart, you guys. I love this white. I'm actually about to be done with it, which makes me so sad. But I'm going to order some more, so not to worry. But yeah, you guys, so I'll go ahead and apply this to my thumbnail. Once I like what this looks like, I will cure this for a full 60 seconds before moving on to the next nail. So I won't do a whole bunch of talking in this video, you guys, just because it's pretty repetitive. So I'll hush. I'll let you guys watch this. I might pop in and out. I'll hush. You watch. So can I just tell you guys about a mistake that I made while I was doing this set? So one thing that I noticed about white polygel is that it can murk up your brush faster than any other pigmented polygel. I don't know why that is, but it's definitely been an experience of mine. So during this set, I was actually trying to dip my brush into the isopropyl alcohol and then swipe off the excess alcohol onto that paper towel right under my hand. But because the paper towel had already been kind of saturated with the alcohol, it wasn't taking off a lot of the excess. So when I went around my cuticle area, I ended up leaving some of that excess alcohol and white polygel around my cuticle area. I did not notice it was there until I went and cured the nail, y'all, and it's so hard to get that white out of your cuticle area once it's been cured, even with a drill. So yeah, you guys, don't be like me. Just do yourself a favor. Change out your swiping pad if you can, or just be mindful of what your brush looks like before you go back and try to clean off that cuticle area so you don't have that white around it the way I did. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come in and tell you that. I'll hush. I'll let you guys watch this. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'll hush. You watch. I did want to mention you guys also about using white polygel or any type of pigmented polygel is that it's important when you apply your bead, y'all, just try to pat that product into place before you do any brushing of the product, because what I've noticed in my experience with using white polygel or pigmented polygel is that if you brush that product around, you tend to kind of move that color around as well. So when you go to cure, you'll have some areas that are more sheer than others, and you do not want that. So I try to do more patting than brushing, if that makes sense. And then you guys will see I am patting here, but it is sped up, so it probably looks a little bit more aggressive than it is, because the truth is I'm actually being really light to the touch when I go in and I brush. I'm not trying to move that product around necessarily. I just want to smooth it in place so that when I go to do my filing, it's just less work. So yeah, you guys, I wanted to tell you that. I hope it made sense. Here are what my nails are looking like after I've applied my polygel, and then I did have some light filing to do. I did keep some of that in this video, so I'll hush. I'll let you guys watch this. I'll be back for the final look. I'll hush, you watch. And here is the final look, you guys, and I think they came out super cute. I mean, obviously, sans the mistake with the alcohol and the brush and all of that good stuff in my cuticle area. I love them. I'm actually having a good time with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what it is you want to see next, and tell a friend to tell a friend, because baby, we are growing around here. I love you guys so much, y'all. Until next time.